Hello Chainlink holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So welcome back to another video about Chainlink, guys. In this video I'm talking about the currently live price update of Chainlink, and I am also talking about the prediction of Chainlink. When there is again possibilities that the price of Chainlink will pump. When? Let me show you guys, but if you are new here, please click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. So guys, first of all, if you talk about the current price of Chainlink in the market, 27.2 USD dollar, that is the current price of Chainlink in the market. And the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, these all changes from last 7 days. You know what, now it is a bad time of Chainlink because the price completely dumps. That's bad time. But guys, you know what, every coin falls for some time, every coin pump for some time. That's not possible for a coin that only pump. No, absolutely, you already know about Bitcoin, that Bitcoin also sometime pump, sometime dump. So you have to alert, you have to read the updates, you have to read the alert signals. Now guys, you know what my prediction about Chainlink is, that in the last 10 days of this month, possibility that in these 10 days the price of Chainlink will blow up, will pump. So that's why I'm telling you that please hold, don't decide to sell. Possibility is that at the last price will highly pump, so just hold, never decide to sell, guys. Anyways, that's my personal opinion. What's your opinion? What's your prediction about Chainlink? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.